Good morning, students. Class plus 2 commerce, subject accountancy. So, open up page number 5.100, 5.100. Today, we are going to start a topic cash flow from investing activities. Quite easy, as you know, investing activities basically related to buying and selling of fixed assets and investments. Beside this, it also include return on investments. So today we are going to solve one question of it. Then you will be able to understand how the things are to be managed, how particular question to be solved. So today we are going to solve this question number 24. What is being given in the question? Let's see. From the following information, calculate cash flow from investing activities. Particulars 31st March 2021 and 2020 informations are there, like investments in 10% debentures. This one is closing balance 10 lakh, then opening balance 5 lakh. Land and building closing balance 15 lakh, opening balance 9 lakh. And these three additional information, like half of the investments held in the beginning of the year were sold at 10% profit. Depreciation on land and building was 50,000 for the year and interest received on investment 75,000. So this interest received on investment, it is directly return on investment and it will be reflected as an inflow of cash. Depreciation on land and building, it will be shown in land and building account so that we can find out how much land and building has been purchased during the year or sold during the year. So by preparing land and building account, and moreover to find out the amount of sale of investment as well as purchase of investments, we are going to prepare investment account also. So let's solve this question, that is question number 24. So firstly, we will prepare the format like this. Cash flow from investing activities for the year ended 31st March 2021. What are the four columns of the format? Particulars, detail and amount. Done. First item which is shown as inflow of cash, that is interest received on investment. It is given as additional information, third information. So it is inflow of cash. Then for finding out how much purchase of land and building is there and how much purchase of investment or sale of investment is there, for that in working notes we are going to prepare land and building account and investment account. So let's see, by preparing working notes we can calculate these amount. So firstly we have prepared land and building account. Here you can see it is an asset, so it always have debit balance. So particular rupees, then to balance brought down, its opening balance is given of land and building, that is 9 lakh. Closing balance is given, it will be written on right side, by balance carry down 15 lakh. Then in additional information too, they have given us depreciation on land and building was 50,000. So what should be the journal entry? Depreciation account debit to land and building. So it will be written on credit side of land and building account by depreciation. Add up credit side total 15 lakh 50,000. जबकि opening balance was 9 lakh rupees. So during the year we have purchased machinery, land and building, that is of rupees 6 lakh 50,000. It will be balancing figure. It will be reflected as an outflow of cash. So here we have mentioned purchase of land and building of 6 lakh 50,000. Then interest received on investment, that we have already shown. And to find out purchase of investment as well as sale of investment, we have to prepare in working notes another account, that is investment account. Investment in 10% debenture account. Again it is an asset. The opening balance will be shown on debit side. To balance brought down 5 lakh. By balance carry down 10 lakh rupees. Then they have given us in question half of the investments held in the beginning of the year was sold. तो हाफ करो बिगनिंग वाले बैलेंस का, 5 लाख का हाफ किया 250. इट वाज सोल्ड एट ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10%. Calculate 10% of 2,50,000. It will be 25,000. So it means 2,50,000 cost plus 25,000 profit. It was being sold for 2,75,000. By bank account नीचे हम लिख सकते हैं सेल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल लगाओ। अब ये प्रॉफिट पे बेची है 25,000, प्रॉफिट विल बी शोन ऑन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट टू स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L 25,000। देन अब क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल लगाना है 12,75,000, डेबिट का माइनस करो 525, बैलेंसिंग फिगर विल बी रिटन एज टू बैंक अकाउंट, यानी न्यू परचेज ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट इट विल बी ऑफ 7,50,000। तो बाइंग एंड सेलिंग इट विल बी टेकन अंडर इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज। तो हियर वी विल राइट परचेज ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट 7,50,000 एज एन आउटफ्लो, सेल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट 2,75,000 एज एन इनफ्लो। इनफ्लो 275 प्लस 75 350, जबकि आउटफ्लो है 650 में से 350 माइनस कर दे तो 3 लाख आउटफ्लो बचा और ये 750, तो टोटल आ गया 10,50,000। दैट विल बी योर आंसर। होपफुली यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 24। तो इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल solve further more question of this particular topic. So for today that's all. Bye beta.